11:02, 11:01. Okay, Jay, give us.
Down, Jay.
No, Les,
Right.
stay back here.
I'm gonna count down, then he can hit the button. Say when to start.
You better stay back here.
Huh? Count down?
Go ahead.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Didn't work.
Oh, it didn't go.
It didn't work.
Okay, power off.
Alright, stop. 9,
Hold it.
8,
All right.
7. What?
Go ahead. I just make sure that airplane wasn't around.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh man.
Wow.
I think I did about better than 3,000 feet.
Okay, where's it at?
I'm looking in the sun. Anybody got sunglasses on?
I don't see it yet. There, I see it.
You see it?
Yep,
All right.
it's on shoot. It's right in the clouds, right below those white clouds.
Yeah, I see it right there, yeah.
It's right, yeah, it's coming right toward us.
Huh?
Actually, now it's starting to go back toward the field.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a smaller shoot. See it, Jay? See it, Jay?
Yeah, I see it right there.
See it, Jay?
More towards the sun.
Went right through the sun.
Yeah, went right through the sun. Yeah, it's coming down right here. Right there. There it is. See it now?
Oh, yeah.
See it right there? Hey, we need to be over somebody. Oh, we had to go over about 2 rows over.
See it, Jay?
Yeah. It's out there. Yeah, that first row's gonna get the second row.